This is the red-green palette. I keep my reds on one side and the greens on the other. This is cadmium orange, translucent orange, quinacridone red, cadmium red, permanent rose, alizarin crimson, Holbein light red. These two panels are for whites, an opaque white and a translucent white. The greens are Cinnabar green light, sap green, Hooker's green, Viridian, Winsor green, raw umber, and blue black. I'm going to show you how to mix a yellow with this palette. What you'll need is the Cinnabar green light and translucent orange. You'll need just a little bit of the translucent orange to add to the Cinnabar light. You can see it's too orange, so I'm going to have to add some more of the green color. I think it's best to start a new puddle and take from the puddle that I mixed before. I'll just take a little bit of that and add it into the new puddle. I'm going to test it on a scrap piece of paper. It's a dark yellow, so if you want it lighter, just add some more water. To mix it purple, use permanent rose and Viridian green. Depending on the ratio of colors, you'll either get a red purple or a blue purple. Here it's looking very green, so I'm going to add some more permanent rose back in. You can see it's a blue purple. So to make it warmer, I'll add some more of the permanent rose. To make it even warmer, you can add some more permanent rose. To make a blue color, you need the Viridian and some permanent rose. Use quinacridone red and Hooker's green to make gray.